Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Chrissy here. Welcome. If you're new, you know what to do. Click that subscribe button down below so you can join the squad. Come on in, bring it on in, all of that. So for today's video, I did a simple everyday makeup look. If y'all want to see how your girl got this look, then keep on watching. So I already moisturized my face, so I don't have to do that. I always go ahead and do that. I do have to do my brows today because I didn't start with my brows already done. So one thing that I like to do is always do my brows first. Okay, you guys, so starting with the brows, I'm taking this NYX brow glue. So this makes my brows like stay in place. Taking the Fenty Retouch Primer. For today's purposes, I just will be doing my brows last. While that product dries down, I will be starting with my base today. And then I'm going to be doing the eyes and the brows last. For foundation, I will be taking this Dewy Smooth Foundation from Maybelline. And I like to use this shade all year round because it works really good for me. In the summertime, it works even better because my skin tend to get a tan. And I've been going fishing all summer, really since before summer started. So your girl got a tan. I like to take like a dense brush, something where I can just like pat the foundation. You never want to like swipe, you'll have streaks in your foundation. So I just take a little bit. You just want to pat it really good, really soft. It's something every time your girl want to do a talk through video, they're doing the yard. But you just want to lightly put it all over, not too much, because it is like a natural everyday. But you know, if it's your vibe to do like extra, then do extra. Because I know I be having my little moves where I want to do a little extra too. You know, just do you. And I actually didn't even need all the stuff that I did pour out. Like, you really don't need a lot unless, like I said, that's your vibe. Base on. Next, I am going to be going in with concealers. I actually like to use multiple concealers, so I will be trying some new stuff today. But as far as the concealers, I'm gonna use stuff that I've already used before. To keep it everyday-ish, like not over the top, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Eraser Concealer. This is in the shade 144. And it's so freaking good. I've used this previous times, multiple times in previous videos. I like that it's like a little twisty. I always go a little bit by the eye because it does give me like a lifted eye effect, like a higher cheekbone look. So I do go a little bit on the side of the eye. I go a little bit on the nose, the tip of my nose, and then in the middle. And I go on the forehead. I like to go above the lip, the chin, on the side to clean up like the contour. To contour, I will be taking the LA Girl Pro in the shade Dark Cocoa. And I really just like to use these because, one, they are affordable. I've been using them ever since I started doing makeup, and the quality always there. I have used high-end concealers and stuff, and I actually do still use that, but I just feel like this really does it. One thing that I do want to get into, because I heard that it makes your makeup look like more natural and it makes your natural looks pop better, is like a liquid blush. But I don't want nothing too crazy. I seen like a tip where someone said to use like your lipsticks and see how that would do. As far as the brows, they are down just a little bit. Normally I will go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, or I would take like the e.l.f. brow pencil in deep brown. I'm taking the e.l.f. deep brown brow pencil. Let the concealers dry down just a bit before blending them out so they won't be moving all around and they can actually be where you need them to be. I always like to take like this dense small brush. It's so freaking good. And when you're blending, you want to make sure you're looking up. So if you have like under eye creasing, it will not like just get into there and it does have like this bad creasing line showing. I like this concealer because it just stays in place. Like, it's not super wet, but it doesn't dry down super fast neither. To make a brighter highlight, I will be taking Cookie from Born This Way. I'm gonna let it dry down while I blend out the contour. Contour, I like to use like a angled brush and you just pat it. So I think that's blended pretty good. I'm actually gonna start blending out the concealer. And I like to blend it up. If I don't do shadows, LA Girl Pro and Fun to clean up brows. I like to take like either an angle brush or a straight cross thin brush to clean up the brows. For the top of my brows, I'm taking Chestnut from LA Girl Pro. To blend out the nose contour, I like to use this really small brush just so I can make sure I am controlling the contour. Okay, I will be trying a new setting powder. This is from Tarte. This is the Creaseless Setting Powder, and I have this in the shade Translucent. I want to try it out today, so hopefully it works out. Oh, it's so cute. It has like a little small powder puff. I was actually going to use one of these anyway, but this one's so little and cute. So normally I just leave my powders on there so I can go in with the contour. I'm not going to use my normal NARS contour. I will be taking this Black Radiance Pressed Powder for my contour today. It's in the shade Ebony. You just want to lightly go over those contour areas. I'm going to use the same shade for nose contour. I like to take my foundation brush, don't add any product, just blend everything, all the powders. I'm not doing any eyeshadow, but I will be taking this City Bronzer from Maybelline. I'm going to be applying them over the contour areas that we did and also on my lids. I'm going to be taking this Real Techniques. This is the Blend Shadow Brush, and I'm just going to be applying that to my lids. I want to keep it affordable, and I will be taking this Maybelline Plum Blush. I think the blush looks really cute, especially for like a natural look. You need a good blush. I should have just did a whole Maybelline look. But anyways, I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is their loose finishing powder. It's in the shade 30. It is the medium deep. I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. So for highlighter, I will be taking this Milani highlighter. This is in the shade 04. The Monica Cador. This is the Happy Hydration Spray. Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So for lashes, I will be taking the Kiss Pearl Earring Lashes Duo Lash Glue to apply them. I've been using this glue for years, y'all. I do like to go back in and apply my beauty marks or moles, and I use a Wet n Wild liquid liner. So for lips, I will be taking this Kiss Dark Brown Lip Liner. This is the pencil liner. Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Loyalist 05. I'm taking this e.l.f. Pumping Gloss in the shade Sparkling Rose. Thank you guys so much for watching my video full through. I thank y'all so freaking much. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you want more tutorials like this and you just want to like a talk through, feel through, click that subscribe button. If you are new, like this video so I will know that you guys enjoyed this content, and also comment your thoughts. Do you use any of these products? Will you be purchasing any of these products? I'll see you guys in the next video.